Okay, in this video we are going to see top 50 Linux commands that everyone should know. Okay, first command ls, the most frequently used command in Linux to list directories, pwd to print working directory or the working folder, to change directory we have to type cd, then mkdir to create directories or to make a new folder, mv move or rename files in Linux, cp to copy a directory, rm to delete files or directories, touch to create blank or empty file, in to create symbolic links slash shortcut files, cat display file contents or terminal for existing users. Okay, so directory is just a folder, and ls and cd are the most frequently used commands in any Linux operating system. Okay, to clear the terminal display we have to type clear, then the next command is echo to print any text that follows command, less Linux display page outputs in terminal, man to access manual pages for a Linux command, uname Linux command to get basic information about the OS, uame get the active username, tar to extract and compress files in Linux, grep search for a string within an output, head return the specified number of lines from the top, tail return the specified number of lines from the bottom. These commands are not very useful, but we need this command, just like for example if to check who is the active user we have to type uame, if we forgot the password, also uname for checking the version of our operating system. Next is the diff, find the difference between two files, cmp allows one to check if two files are identical or not, com combines the functionality of diff and comp, so it will return with the difference between two files, as well as it will check either the files are similar or not, sort to sort content of a file while outputting, export environmental variables in Linux, zip files in Linux, unzip to unzip files in Linux, ssh is the secure shell command line in Linux, service Linux command to start and stop services, and the next command is display ps display active processes, it will display all the active processes that if there is any background processes that we do not want to run, so we can just kill the processes by using the command kill and kill all, kill active processes by processes id or name, diff display disk file system information, mount file system in Linux, as like if you want to mount any kind of pen drive or any other USB or CD drive or SSD, we have to type mount, chmod, command to change file permission, chown, command for granting ownership of files or folders, ifconfig, display network interfaces and IP addresses. Okay, this is the important command that we are going to use in Metasploit. Trace route, trace all the network hopes to reach the destination. Vget, direct download files from the internet. UFW, firewall command. IP tables, base firewall for all other firewall utilities to interface with. And now the next commands are apt, pacman, m, rpm. These are different for different distros, just like apt for Debian, sudo to escalate privileges in Linux, like sudo means super user access. Okay, call view command line calendar, alias create custom shortcut for your regularly used commands, dd majorly used for creating bootable USB sticks, where is locate the binary source and manual pages for a command, what is find what a command is used for, top view active processes live with their system usages, user add and user mod, add new user or change existing user data, password create or update passwords. Okay, if you forgot the password, then we can directly open command line interface and then change the password by typing this command password.